Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Today, once again, I would like to welcome you all in English class. So, children, today we will learn how to write letter D. We will write on writing book D cursive small letter. Children, open your cursive small letters writing book page number 10. So today we will learn how to write cursive small letter D. So do you remember? We have learned how to write letter A. I hope you all are practicing. Okay, this is letter A, and then after that we learn letter B. Okay, A for ant, B for banana. Then after that we learn letter C. C for camel. After that we will learn letter D. D for dog. So now I want all of you to open your book, okay, and take out your pencil. Okay, so let's learn. Okay, D for dog. See here, one line, it's going up, okay, like this. Then we have to come down, make a curve and close the curve and go up, then come down, then again go up. So like this we have to write it. Okay, children, so slanting line, take one slanting line. Okay, children, this is one slanting line. Okay, first, and then slanting line up, then make curve and go up. Okay, children, then after that one slanting line, make a curve, close the curve, go up, make a loop. Okay, children. Okay, so slanting line up, make a curve, close the curve, go up, come down and go up again with slanting line. So this is D. Okay, this, from this we started and this we ended. Okay, this is closed. Okay, so this is letter D. Now you all have to write on dots. Okay, follow the dots, and children, don't forget that once you have started to write, you have to go on. Don't lift up your pencil. Okay, and you have to write with help of pencil. Okay, so let's follow the dots, children. Okay, one slanting line up, then make a curve, close that curve and go up with line, take a loop, come down and go up. Okay, children, one slanting line, then making a curve, then closing that curve, then one line, then take a loop, then come down on the same line and go up. Right? I hope you all are getting me. Okay, children, like that you all have to write. And see, this one though we have to follow the dots. Children, please follow the dots. Okay, so this is letter D. Okay, the second line again we have to follow the dots. Very good. So close the curve. Okay, sorry. Then go up, come down, again go up. One slanting line, then try to make one curve. Then close that curve and make line till the first line and take a loop and come down, again go up. One slanting line, try to make one curve. Close that curve and go up, come down and go up. Okay children, like that you all have to follow. Very good. Okay, so these two lines we finished with dots. Now children, you have to write without dots. Okay, see, only one dot is there and you have to finish it. Okay, let's do it children. Okay, we have to start from this. Okay, first make one slanting line, then try to make one curve, then come down, close that curve, go up, take a loop and come down and go up. Okay children, see the letter D for dog. Make a slanting line, then make a curve, try to close that curve and go up with line, come down. So children, again make a slanting line, curve, go up and come down. Okay children, like that you all have to follow. Okay children. Okay, now I want all of you to see. Okay children, see, watch me carefully. Okay, so like this. Okay, this is letter D. We are doing D for dog. Okay, and children, I want all of you to practice this one in your notebook also. Okay, don't forget to write in the notebook. But children, now I don't want you to send me. Okay, I will check one day. You all have to bring your notebooks. That time I will check all your work, but don't send in group. Okay children, if you want to send me, you have to send me in personal group. Okay, so let's do. Okay, this one you all have to do by your own. Okay, this is your practice. Okay, so first this one is dot. Okay, go up, then come down and go up, like that. Okay, this is letter D. I hope you all will practice regularly. Okay, you have to finish this page. Okay, finish this page children. Very good. So this is letter D we have done. Okay, so I hope you have learned how to write letter D. Thank you for listening carefully. Have a good day.